Yeah, last week Monday a friend of mine said to me, say, Foster, come here. The things that you've been through and what you're doing in your life, what changed you? What make you so happy? What make you be a man today? He said to me, say, change and balance. And he said to me, say, what is change and balance? He said, change and balance, things you usually do, you do it no more. Change, you go change from the things that you usually do. You see, balance, you go balance up yourself from the things we usually do in your life. So change and balance make me be a man and make me be who me are today. So he say, can you teach me about it? I say, yeah. I write it on a piece of paper, give me say, put this on your wall. And every day you look at it. And you go, things we usually do, you go change from it. And you go look on the balance and you go balance up yourself from the things we usually do.
How long you been doing this?
From...
It depends on your wall. All equals, you're the only one. You're the only ghetto youth.
Yeah.
We have the formula printed out. You're the first one.
Yeah.
We get the formula in a South Spring, Bucktolian, upon your wall.
Yeah.
So that formula as a ghetto youth.
As a ghetto youth.
When you get up and see it, it's like an imprint of a formula from God say, know yourself.
Yeah.
All, which is the Almighty,
Yeah.
we're doing what? Changing and balance in your life and in everything around you. It's a message for the ghetto youth them. So what you tell the ghetto youth them?
Yeah, man, just apply change and balance to your life. And just think about it and look into it, because change and balance is the real things of life. Can bring you up, can make you be a man, can make you chill from things you usually do. If you be a gunman, change and balance can change you. If you be a thief, change and balance can change you. Right? Because it changed my life and it made me be a man today. Respect to change and balance. And respect to the all. Kevin, passenger, respect to you. You make me be a man today with change and balance. Many respect. My love goes out to you.
Respect, my brother. Bucktolian, South Spring, seal it. People, this is the first ghetto youth from South Spring. And in time, you will teach many more. We'll give you the tools and we'll get you the links. So we make it easy for them, because you are a disciple of change and balance. You're actually change and balance yourself. That's how you form, isn't it? So you don't have to believe it, Just live it, because that's what you is. Just like the tree of balance or the bird of balance, that's all you have to do. Yeah. Balance around people. You don't have to look into too much of what them do, where you are just balancing yourself and everything around you. You have to just pull like the wind and keep me rate you as a South Spring ghetto youth who's been there. You know what it is to live on street and do terrible things in life.
Yeah.
And the Almighty will continue you. You will be a great teacher. Simplify it for them, because God said, look, teach the ghetto youth them change and balance. No long talking them needed. Faster, use a true Prince of Mobile. Respect and love.
Okay.
Give thanks.
The black hole has changed, your emotion has changed, your ideas have changed, your thoughts, the seahorse, science, math, chemistry, bank account, every matter infinitely changes. Energy was never created nor destroyed. It has a loop, only change and balance. When you see things physically manifest, that's called a balance. So all what we call God is infinitely changing and balancing. So if we want to solve a problem with Russia and Israel, change and balance. The word balance is the only righteousness. Nothing in scripture is bigger than black hole and infinite stars. In infinite stars, there's change and there's balance. Change, control, love, and hate. Humans delegate on love and hate. Bipolarism, left and right. Only thing that exists a balance or off balance. No division, no two. And later on it changed into two. So the loop is changing and balancing. God, the formula for the only truth. Me write the book, 30 years. All equal change and balance. You govern math. Your ideas have to change and balance in the realm that you are for your ideas to function. Your thoughts, your taste, your fingernail, underneath the hand's foot, change and balancing. And you're here. It is the only truth in all things, in all dimensions, infinitely. Change is a constant, and balance will exist in the realm that you are in. So, when man recognize the star, them say God create. Change and balance form things. Nothing is created. So the words create, we replace it with recognize. And when you see the star, your brain activates in consciousness. You create what you see. But it was already there. Energy was already there. The star was formed from energy. The loop. So the infinite energy is changing and balancing. So God or the all is a change and a balance. So the only truth in this is change and balance. When the sun comes, it changes everything for balance it based on the sun temperature. The moon is a change and balance. The seahorse, the child, the car engine, your beard, everything I do two things infinitely, changing and balancing. So now if you have an argument with some argument, now change and balance solve all problems because I control math. If you have an argument with a brethren, you change and balance your communication, your distance. If you think you're poor, you change your mind. Poverty is in the mind. So change, which is the only concept which has no opposite in the universe. The only truth has no opposite. Love has an opposite, which is hate. So love is for man. Stone don't fall in love with iPhone. But iPhone change and balance, glasses change and balance. So the infinite truth and the only truth, what you are a small change and balance, and there's the infinite change and balance. Between the small change and balance and the infinite is where you call faith. So when you change your affirmation now, you blend with the balance and the change we are going out there. So right now, when everything you do is change and balance. You're breathing. The sea, upon the sea, the ship on the sea. That's the only thing that's happening infinitely. My uniqueness with the blueprint programming thing, that is my experience. How I think, that is your experience. But the only journey is change and balance. The only thing we are happening is change and balance. So the formula say all equal change and balance. That is the God formula. So if we say apply God, between you coexist with a Christian and a Muslim, you change your belief system for balance with them, law of coexistence. So since we're all connected, them never know what truth was. So if you don't know what truth was, real righteousness in a scripture small, because the bird of a follow righteousness. What is the butterfly following? Change and balance. The bird of V formation, change and balance. Balance is the infinite righteousness.
That was coming to still when you know what I mean. So me realize and me overs what you're saying, but that's what me was coming with. I was trying to take out the word change and put adjust right there or adapt. You know, because that's the way I see it. This is how I see it. In human, like me and you, we always be specifically identify as human, right? Even if it's a baby. But a caterpillar is a caterpillar. Then the caterpillar change. That's the changes right there. So it's a different concept than what we rolling with or what we supposed to roll with. You know what I mean? Caterpillar change from caterpillar to a butterfly. So you couldn't call a caterpillar a butterfly, and you couldn't call a butterfly a caterpillar. But me and you know, we was a baby, but we still human, right?
We were carbon, oxygen, zinc, not a baby. We were black matter, stardust. Forget babies, forget human. Your concrete, your stone is the same consciousness. There's only one consciousness, change and balance. Change and balance is consciousness. The stone and you is one. So why you have hydrogen, carbon, zinc and copper in you and stardust? Your flesh, because you change and balance into flesh. The water, the depth on the asteroid that come down, you know. So life is all around us.
Which is nature.
Right?
Yeah.
Nature is change and balance. A change and balance govern nature. Yes. A change and balance make nature the way it look to we, our perception.
Right.
So in another dimension, in all dimension where you exist right now, in all dimension that you're connected to, the all is the one is not the all.
Right.
I am part of God. I'm part of the all. I am
Exactly.
not God. So
Exactly.
you little God, me little God, but
Yeah.
we little change and balance.
Yeah, we
But-
do God work.
So
We do
now the
God
big
remnants.
the big infinite change
Yeah.
and balance always affect we, and we are blend with it too. So now we are wanted a formula to solve all problems. You see, problems is among us, Problems are among us and stuff because them have a brain. So now the purpose for the word is to help us to align our mind with each other. So man write words because of experience of destruction among man, and them have scriptures and different
Don't the
things.
problem differentiate and don't the problem divert? Because your problem couldn't be my problem and my problem couldn't be your problem. Sometimes some people satisfy with what's going on. When me and you on a broader scope, we're looking in and looking overall and see that it's been,
Different perception,
yeah,
different mind.
you know what I mean? So
Different
what-
overs, different
so what we
consciousness.
gonna do about it?
We teach people the truth. If you have practiced change and balance, every move you make, you try to balance it within
course.
yourself
Of
or
course.
with me.
Of course.
Every time me come anger with you, you will try balance with me. If you say no
And
need
it
for be
take-
anger, takes two.
Tolerance,
Patience,
Patience.
love, and all of these human
love,
attributes.
because love control that passion. That's the passion that we want. Because if we don't love something, we ain't gonna do it.
And the challenge with the love is that why it's not the truth is because it can change into hate.
Yeah.
It's a bipolar thing. So
So-
now that change and balance govern love. Love now is a connection between me and you which can change. Israel and Iran is not in love because they don't know what the truth. They were delving in scriptures and said them are God and God in a book. But God in a nature, God all around. And another misconception they made when they say God was within. There's no in and there's no out. There's only the all. In, out, and everywhere. Infinite. No center. No inner this. So when we say we are go to the center, there's no center. There's only the all. Because the infinite is so infinite, where the center there? Where the beginning, there's no beginning and end. So Israel and Iran are fight because they're in the binary system. Them upon earth, them not spiritually connecting to all realms. Them are trying not to coexist. Trying not to coexist is, you have to coexist because you're all connected. The law of coexistence, the law of connection, the law of what them call creation, and the law of change. The index finger a change. It change the connection, the coexistence, that's how it works. But these are the big one at a balance.
Yeah.
So the index finger at the change will govern creation, will govern connection between me and you, and govern coexistence. If Israel practice change and balance, and Iran practice change and balance, whatever you believe on earth, in this earthly realm, when you look a book, me can adapt and come to a mosque, and you can come to my church. We can coexist because we're all coexisting. So Israel and Iran is not balanced. So we have to put them in a balance by bringing them the only truth to mankind. Because balance is the real judge. He judged the butterfly, the stone. When the sun hit the stone have to balance up. And if the sun temperature increase, stone a change. The change which is constant, now the Dutch pot always a change. Nothing remains the same. So if the Dutch pot a change the sun also up to the Dutch pot, it obeys the order of the only truth, what God is. So now if God is a change and a balance, and we can activate God right now. The problem for them, God, they can't activate it. So God was supposed to be activated and taught. So they get to you, them way I follow change and balance. Now I teach it to police. The man and my students them quit smoking and drinking. Them not say Selassie no more, them say the all. When they wake up, them say give thanks to the all. All means the all. Them not say all almighty. Them say all, meaning this. Me give thanks to the particle in a this. Because this have consciousness. This is change and balancing. So when we say give thanks to the all, now we send out the voice message to all light. So the birds them hear it, the mustards hear it. Everything. That is what God is. Everything. So if God is all,
Every living thing.
not just living, what we call living is a person. Everything is
that
living.
Life, that life.
The stone
Isn't
has
that everything
life.
That living, that
The stone have
this
consciousness.
don't have no life.
The wood have life.
This don't have no life.
See that? Yes.
This
It a
don't
move.
have no life.
It's moving.
No, this don't have no life.
It's moving. You come from stone.
This don't have no
Do
life.
you have carbon in you? You come
Yes.
from carbon.
Yeah, but
So
that
if you
is
didn't see carbon, you say carbon is dead.
I said this no have no life, but this
Metal,
have life.
copper,
This have life.
this have life. So this is a tree, but the tree come from the stone. That is why sea moss grow on that. This have life. It have life.
That's why when
Because the sun
that's why
can't
when
change
we
it.
move
So
our-
when it runs into lava.
give me a minute.
Uh-huh.
That's why when we move our grandparents out of this.
So does dirt have life?
Listen. When we move our grandparents out of this
Yeah.
and put our grandparents in this,
Yeah.
they die fast.
Does the sun have
Because
life?
this sucks life.
Is the
This
sun
what
life?
sucks life?
Is the moon
sun-
life?
Of course.
The moon is life.
Yes.
The sun is life.
Yes.
So isn't that moon
because
rock?
it's light. No.
That's not moon rock.
No.
So it's dirt on the ground life.
Yes.
So when dirt get hard, it becomes stone. Because of the change and balance. That's what stone is. Hard dirt.
You can throw water on the dirt and the dirt becomes moist.
You can throw water
on
in this and it becomes
what
moist.
happened? What happened?
It
to
becomes moist.
It becomes
Water
moist.
can put a hole into that.
It become molded.
The point is,
become molded.
all have life. We say give thanks to the all because all is life. The consciousness, life is in your glasses.
You don't think that
So you're thinking
you don't
organic.
think that life and death, life and death
Yeah.
is a balance.
So transformation.
Yeah.
So now in reality there's no death. Okay. So again it's a dual mind, it's a negative and positive, it's because your mind
Exactly.
split. So you're thinking in the binary.
Exactly.
So mankind think about life and death because him not reached the level yet where there's no death. Some man realize there's nothing called death. So the great ones that give thanks for life because they know so no death no exists. So now since the energy cannot die, cannot end.
I don't know about the dying.
So the
within
concept
spirit,
of so what we are
but I
talking
know
about is a
dying
transformation
in
of flesh.
Exactly.
We're talking about a flesh transforming. It's,
so
just
that's
it's just a change.
So that symbol would be that's definitely.
That is a change.
definition, right?
So when you change into stone, you change into that. So you always change into different forms. One time you was carbon, hydrogen and zinc. Now you're this. Because of the tree give you some of this. And because the tree make you breathe, I know you breathe here. And the tree make you have a nose. So the tree give you your nose. That's a change and a balance. And when you come on earth and
But
the
we
tree
don't
make you breathe.
specifically breathe just through nose and.
But I'm
we
saying
breathe
even through the skin, everywhere.
Yeah.
But because of the trees.
Most likely.
Because there's something around you.
Yeah.
It's the environment form you. It's the environment
Yeah.
change you, make you look like
Yeah.
this.
Yeah. If the tree is not around, then you know this life is. dead.
But then the water and the tree work together. So not just the
Exactly.
tree, but then the sun is
And
a part
also
of it.
the sun.
And then the moon, and then the star, and then gravity. So wait there. Where it come from? All.
All.
You see what I say now? All.
That's why we say all in one and one in all.
Right? So the
Universal.
misconception of life has been reduced to mankind and what we perceive as living. This is alive, the metal. Then copper, now you know me? I'm made of copper, zinc,
Everything.
hydrogen.
Every mineral.
So if me I come from iron, if them say we are come from the dust, if we are come from the dust, we're changing to this.
The earth is a fullness therein, and people say thereof.
Everything that man says, the
But-
all is the fullness.
Everything go inside.
The earth is a part of the all.
All.
The earth is not the all. We don't worship earth, we don't worship sun. We worship all. Sun and earth, moon and stars, zinc and bicycle, child, everything. We give reverence to all. And we don't say none of it, it's separate. Because if it's connected, it has to be one. And because the law of connection states that nothing in the all is not disconnected. So if nothing not disconnected, it has to be. So then, it's a different mindset.
True.
It's a different program. Because now, man have to think like the loop. Them can't think beginning and end. Them can't think left and right. Them can't think center. I go back to the center now. So you are go back to one center. Me I go back to one center. How can we have a different center?
It ain't.
Yeah. A one. So my brother, you see, recording this amount.
Let's stop right, Sam.
Voice some of them from now.
I mean, it's already, man.
I mean, I leave out, you know.
You know what I mean? It's already.
I ain't bringing them in the book, you chat them on your phone?
Yeah.
No film that.
Yeah.
So just
I want to call fear.
Fear.
He said, today I would like to define a simple word, fear, and how Babylon imposed fear. Fear. So we say, Rasta never fear, 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 nothing out there, Rasta never fear, nothing out there. Them discriminate and beat and kill Rasta man out there, but Rasta never fear, nothing out there, Rasta never fear, nothing out there. But anywhere the Rasta man duly appears, some message of life will always display out there. Don't watch the face, the foot, don't watch the ear, because Rasta never fear, Rasta never fear, Rasta never fear. Fear put a lot of people in a shock. Fear kick down people with severe heart attack. Fear, the road to success, no need that. Fear to talk the truth, but lies becomes a fact. Fear, dirty Babylon launch an attack. Fear, ignorance, them promote that. Fear to talk your mind, so you becomes quiet. Fear, open up your mouth and them tell you stop chat. But Rasta never fear, Rasta never fear, Rasta never fear, Rasta never fear.
give them the phone number.
891 876 891 8910.
The name.
Parliamentary.